Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to my channel. If you're tuning in for the very first time, I want to say a very big welcome to my channel. And if you've been on this channel for some time, I want to say thank you for your support. Thank you for being here. In this video, we are actually working on our well. This is our third well. And this well has actually built all the structures that you see on the property. So what we've done is we expanded the circumference, the diameter, and we dug it. It's about almost 20 meters. It's very, very deep. So we built it starting from the top, coming all the way up with concrete blocks, but obviously leaving some, holes where the water can seep in. The reason for building around in the well is because we don't want to have a situation we've had before where the inside of the well collapses and then it just messes up the whole thing. So now it's built. This one can last a lifetime. So the guys are actually removing the mud because over the rainy season it accumulated a lot of mud. So they're finished building now and they are removing all the mud. You will see in the video, the building is construction from the bottom up is completed and we've done the lid, just waiting for it to dry up and then we'll put it on top. So enjoy the video. So you can see there, my younger brother there, Edward, is just giving a hand to the guys, removing the mud from the well. But the noise from the genset might be disturbing, but never mind it. That's just the genset pumping out the water. But there's somebody right down there. If you look properly, there's someone down there. Putting that mud in the bucket and then it's all been taken out. So the reason we're taking out this mud is because we want to start using this well. During the rainy season, a lot of mud went inside before the concrete wall was built in there from the bottom, coming all the way up, so it's been secured. So that mud accumulated during the rainy season because it was not covered. And now what we are doing now is basically just removing all the rubbish, all the mud. There's quite a lot of water in there. We've had to use two pumps at the same time to pump out the water. So once we take out that mud, the water will become nice. It will be filtered. It will be nice, very delicious to drink. So that's the lid we made. We made a concrete lid that's reinforced. There's reinforced steel in it. And on top of it, in the middle there's a lid, So that's our genset there, making a lot of noise. And so that's what we are doing at the moment. Removing all the mud so that we can use the well. Now, coming down here, this is where we have the drip irrigation. This is the field at the lower section of a farm. We put a drip irrigation here in order for us to grow some vegetables, conserving water in a very nice way, because about two years ago I had a situation where we had drought and I'm telling you the crops were destroyed. So in order to counter that, what we have done, we've dug 3 wells and a borehole. So we got sufficient water now, and the way to conserve that water is to use this drip irrigation. As you can see, the little maize are coming up and the guys can be able to splash a little water there, a little bit of water. This is the rape where we have planted the rape seeds. But eventually we will stop using this system because that takes a lot of water. We will put in maybe sprinklers. For now, we're going to use that. And then further on that side, you can see green, that's calendula. Hey guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video and you've been inspired by it. Please remember to give it a thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment, and also press that bell icon for more notifications. It's adios amigos, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.